Question number 26. He ran very. To catch the bus, A, quick, B, slow, C, quickly. Question number 27. We should take an umbrella. It might rain. A, but B, so. C, because. Question number 28. How? Money do you have? A, some. B, much. C, many. Question number 29. My favorite subject. Math. A, B, B, R, C, is. Question number 30. The baby is. Now. A, sleep. B, sleeps. C, sleeping. Question number 31. My best friend is very. She always helps me. A, kind. B, angry. C, lazy. Question number 32. She. Her homework every evening. A, do. B, doing. C, does. Question number 33. She has been waiting. 10 minutes. A, since. B, for. C, from. Question number 34. He arrived. The airport at 6 a.m. A, on. B, in. C, at. Question number 35. The book was so that I couldn't stop reading it. A, interesting. B, boring. C, interested. Question number 36. You. Be quiet in the library. A, might. B, can. C, must. Question number 37. If I were Rick, I travel the world. A, will. B, can. C, would. Question number 38. My father. Gone to work already. A, has. B, have. C, are. Question number 39. How? Sugar do you need? A. Some. B. Many. C. Much. Question number 40. My sister. To the mall yesterday. A. Goes. B. Go. C. Went. Question number 41. We should go to bed now. It's very A. Early. B. Late. C. Soon. Question number 42. How? Brothers do you have? A. Some. B. Much. C. Many. Question number 43. The car is too expensive. I can't. It A. Afford. B. Lend. C. Bring. Question number 44. I love this song. It's my song. A. Best. B. Better. C. Favorite. Question number 45. We arrived. Time for the meeting. A. In. B. On. C. At. Question number 46. We need to buy. Eggs for the cake. A. An. B. Any. C. Some. Question number 47. My brother. A delicious dinner last night. A. Cook. B. Cooks. C. Cooked. Question number 48. I am afraid of A. Dark. B. Darkness. C. The dark. Question number 49. We went to the zoo and saw a of lions. A. School. B. Herd. C. Pride. Question number 50. My grandfather is 80 years old, but he is very A. Weak. B. Strong. C. Tired.